Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Pull up. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing? Whatever. How y'all doing? Whatever. Hey, yay. Welcome back to the beat. Back to the treat. We gon' get it while we budget. We gon' get it. Let us speak. Ayy. I don't know what that was. I was trying to get my rap career going, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, child. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K here on Royal Budgets, baby. If you were new and never been here before, welcome to my channel. On here I do my budgeting, debt payment, getting my life together, and maybe not in that order, okay? But if you do enjoy cash stuffing and getting our finances right with the money that we do have, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we would love to have you all up in this business, okay? Give me your 2 cents to my 98 cents and we can make it $1. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning. Hello, beautiful kings and queens. Thank you guys so much for returning. I appreciate you. Okay, so in today's video, as you guys can see, I'm going over my monthly budget, baby. Quick, sweet, fast, in a hurry. We ain't got time to be here all day, so let's get into the video. Here are my goals of the month and my little quote at the bottom, which says, why you budgeting and you save for financial freedom, mental peace, and do what the hell you want. So that's my quote for this month that I'm going with. And there are 12 quotes for each month because it's the non-dated budget book. But these are my 5 goals for this month, basically, which is to pay additional to my debt rather than the minimum payment, work out 15 times, child, the struggle of my life, get to 1K. I didn't get to 1K in April, so I'm definitely open to achieve it in May. I need to post more on social media. If you know me, your girl likes to stay in her business, which is my 2 cents over here, and not go on social media, but I need to do that. And then I want to start a new YouTube channel. Like, I like this one, but like there's a different side to me. You get what I'm saying? So I want to start a new YouTube channel, and I want to post 2 videos to that YouTube channel, which has nothing to do with budgeting. But those are my goals for the month: financial, social, fitness, and YouTube, basically. So that is that. But now let's get into this budget, baby. So let's zoom in. Let's get all up in my business, child, all up in there. Okay, so we are gonna go over my May 2022, child, 2021, my May 2022 budget. So my salary is $4,138. We're working with whole numbers. That's what I'm expecting. All my bills are basically the same. Ooh, that's a lot, child. That's a whole lot, girl. So majority of my bills are the same. The only new one that is on here now that wasn't on here last month is my tithes. And that's because your girl realized, like, listen, whatever you believe in, your spirituality, whatever you do you, boo-boo. But you see, me and my belief in God, I need to get my life together and start giving back to him, because your girl is stop. I don't know why. I don't know why I thought I should. But, you know, good things have been happening to me with my tithing. And, you know, your meditation, your manifestation, that might, you know, put that into universe. That might work for you, too. But my belief is my belief. Your belief is your belief. And we just don't agree to agree and agree to disagree. Boom. And love everybody, okay? Point blank and what? Period. So mortgage and additional escrows combined, so they're $1,318.87. Tithes is getting $100. My dad Merrick is still getting $200. HOA is $44.80. Pest control is $41.73. Electricity is $44.19. Internet is $81.24. Apple One, which is Apple Music, Apple Music, Apple TV, and I think Cloud, and that is $19.95. Car insurance is $100 this month because I paid it down to $100, baby. So excited. Phone bill is $44.56. ADT security is $49.21. Apple Care $7.99. Car payment is $400.65. Water bill, I always do an estimate of $50 just because your girl don't know what it's gonna be at. And then my retirement gets $354.78. And my emergency fund is budgeted for $300 for the month of May. So all of this comes up to a whopping beautiful total. Oh child, I didn't have y'all down. My bad. Come down, baby. So all this comes up to a whopping beautiful total of $3,157.97. Okay, so that is my total budget for the month. My cash envelopes, so this is where most of my leftover money is going to go into. And so for my cash envelopes, I'm budgeting $650. Just because the way gas and groceries are set up, child, can you eat and can you drive to work? Who? I need to telework. Do I got a job where I can telework and stay at home? I need one. If they're hiring, let me know. I might be on a contract, but let me know. Sinking funds, I'm gonna put 22. That's a lie. I'm gonna put $2.20 just because you guys know I don't like them cents left over situation, and I gotta account for that $41.38, which is the full amount, child. And so that is how much I am budgeting for sinking funds. And then my saving challenges for this month, I want to do $110. Like, that is my minimum for my saving challenges that I want to get done. As you guys know, I am doing my Fortune 500 challenge. The 100 envelope challenge is out there, child, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it, baby. Okay, this is a little rough. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but that's out there. And yeah, if you watch my previous video, then you know I completed one of my challenges, so go ahead and watch that to find out which one. My cast stuffing video, which I should have it linked up above so you guys can see. So these totals, child, I didn't even add them up. So these totals, once added up, comes up to $980.03, which if you add, let's go to the calculator. If you add this 3,157.97 plus this 980.03, that is my $41.38 that I worked with for my salary. Okay, I only account for salary when I do these monthly budgets, nothing else. So down at the bottom, if we add up everything together, my budgeted income is $4,138. My expenses is $3,157.97, and my budget binders came up to a total of $980.03. And basically that will leave me with nothing left over, as you guys can see. So like I said, not a long video, not a too in-depth video. I just wanted to let you guys know, you know, my budget, because my budget really doesn't change unless there's like an event happening. So yeah, I ain't gonna go into all that and let y'all know. Mainly my goals for the month, you know, getting my budget together and all that. That is mainly it. And then my cash envelopes are basically one that changes the most. So let me zoom you guys out. And I have this money in here. This is prop money, but this is like the money for all of basically my breakdown of my monthly budget. So I keep it on here. I thought it was really cute. Girl, don't embarrass me like that out here in the streets just because we at the end of the thing. Get your life together. But no, guys, so this is my $31.82, I think it is, for my expenses. This is my $650 for my cash envelopes. That's my $220 for my sinking funds, and this is my $110 for my saving challenges. So I thought it was cute to just put it in there. Yeah, and that's for the month. But that is it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And my saying for this one is sometimes, you know, shorter is better. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You know, sometimes consistency is the best thing to happen to you. And my bills are consistent, and you know, we got a little flexibility, but they mostly the same. So sometimes consistency, you know, is the best option, is the best flexibility. So consistency is the best flexibility. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know, baby, it was quick, sweet, in a hurry. And like I said, if you do enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button. Please join me on my journey to getting debt free again, because the girl was debt free before. But yeah, I'm excited, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like I said, this is Royal Budgets. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? how you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.